Hello, aspiring teachers. This is Teacher Art, and welcome to our General Education Life and Works of Rizal Review series. This is part 1, consisting of 15 thought provoking questions, and you will be given 10 seconds to answer, each followed by a rationalization to deepen your understanding. Okay, so keep track of your scores and enjoy the learning process. Let's start. Number 1. Who is regarded as the first teacher of Jose Rizal? Letter A. Saturnina Mercado. Letter B. Teodora Alonso. Letter C. Justiniano Aquino Cruz. And letter D. Paciano Mercado. Okay, the correct answer is letter B, Teodora Alonso. Jose Rizal's mother, Teodora Alonso, was his first teacher. She nurtured his love for learning by teaching him the alphabet, prayers, and storytelling, which played a crucial role in his formative years. Letter A, Saturnina Mercado, is not the answer because Saturnina was Jose Rizal's eldest sister, often called Neneng. Letter C is wrong because Justiniano Aquino Cruz was Jose Rizal's formal teacher in Binyan, Laguna. Rizal studied under him after learning the basics from his mother. And letter D, Paciano Mercado, was Jose Rizal's elder brother. Okay, number 2. What is the full name of Jose Rizal? Letter A, Jose Protasio Rizal y Mercado. Letter B, Jose Protasio Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. Letter C, Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. Letter D, Jose Protasio Mercado Rizal Alonso. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. This is Jose Rizal's complete name, Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. It incorporates his parents' surname and his full baptismal name. Alright, letter B reverses the order of some family names. That's why it's wrong. Letter A and D, this omits parts of his full name. So letter C is the correct answer. Number 3, in which town and province was Jose Rizal born? Letter A, Tondo, Manila. Letter B, Calamba, Laguna. Letter C, Binondo, Manila. And letter D, Bacoor, Cavite. The correct answer is letter B, Calamba, Laguna. Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. Um, Letter A and C, these are cities in Manila, not Rizal's birthplace. And letter D, Bacoor, is in Cavite and related to Jose Rizal's origins. That's why letter B is the correct answer. Number 4, what was the title of Rizal's first novel? Letter A, El Filibusterismo. Letter B, Noli Me Tangere. Letter C, Mi Ultimo Adios. Or letter D, Sa Aking Mga Kabata. Okay, the correct answer is letter B, Noli Me Tangere. Noli Me Tangere was Rizal's first novel published in 1887. El Filibusterismo is his second novel. Mi Ultimo Adios is a poem, not a novel, and a poem attributed to Rizal but not proven to be his work, Sa Aking Mga Kabata. That's why letter B is the correct answer. Number 5. Who inspired Rizal to write No Limit Tangere? Letter A. Ferdinand Blumentritt. Letter B. Marcelo H. del Pilar. Letter C. Harriet Beecher Stowe. Or letter D. Juan Luna. The correct answer is letter C, Harriet Beecher Stowe. Harriet Beecher Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin influenced Rizal to write No Limit Tangere to expose societal injustices. Letter A, Ferdinand Blumentritt was Rizal's friend but not the inspiration of the novel. Letter B and D, they were contemporaries of Rizal but not related to Rizal's inspiration to write a novel. So the correct answer is letter C. Number 6. Which law mandates the study of Rizal's life and works in Philippine schools? Letter A, Republic Act number 1425. Letter B, Republic Act number 7610. Letter C, Republic Act number 10354. Letter D, Republic Act number 11313. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, Republic Act number 1425, known as Rizal Law. It requires studying Rizal's life, works, and writings in schools. Letter B, Republic Act 7610, refers to child protection law. Letters C and D addresses unrelated social issues. So letter A is the correct answer. Number 7. Where did Rizal finish his medical studies? Letter A, University of Santo Tomas. Letter B, Ateneo de Manila. Letter C, Universidad Central de Madrid. Or letter D, Heidelberg University. The correct answer is letter C, Universidad Central de Madrid. Rizal completed his medical degree at this school. Letter A, UST. He started medicine at UST but did not finish. Letter B, he studied high school at Ateneo. And letter D, he studied ophthalmology in Heidelberg, Germany. So the correct answer is letter C. Number 8. Where was Rizal executed? Letter A, Fort Santiago. Letter B, Cavite. Letter C, Intramuros. Or letter D, Luneta, which is also known as Bagumbayan. The correct answer is letter D, Luneta or Bagumbayan. Rizal was executed in Bagumbayan, now Luneta Park, on December 30, 1896. For the other choices, letters A, B, and D, these are historical places but not the site of his execution. So letter D is the correct answer. Number 9. Who was Rizal's greatest love? Letter A, Leonor Rivera. Letter B, Josephine Bracken. Letter C, Segunda Katigbak. Or letter D, Nelly Boosted. The correct answer is letter A, Leonor Rivera. She is considered Jose Rizal's true love despite their separation. Josephine Bracken was Rizal's common law wife, and Segunda Katigbak was Rizal's first love, while Nelly Boosted was a brief romantic interest of Jose Rizal. So letter A is the correct answer. Number 10. What is the main theme of No Limit Tangere? Letter A, love and romance. Letter B, social injustice. Letter C, Filipino traditions. Or letter D, religion. The correct answer is letter B. The novel exposes the abuses of the Spanish government and clergy. Letters A, C, and D, these are sub-themes but not the central theme of the novel. Number 11. What is the significance of June 19, 1861 in Philippine history? Letter A, the signing of the Rizal Law. Letter B, Jose Rizal's birth date. Letter C, the publication of Noli Me Tangere. Or letter D, the founding of La Liga Filipina. The correct answer is letter B. Jose Rizal was born on this date in Calamba, Laguna, June 19, 1861. Letter A, the Rizal Law was signed on June 12, 1956. Letter C, Noli Me Tangere was published in 1887. And letter D, La Liga Filipina was founded in 1892. Number 12. What is the purpose of La Liga Filipina, an organization founded by Rizal? Letter A, to promote armed revolution. Letter B, to establish a new government. Letter C, to unite Filipinos for peaceful reforms. Or letter D, to fund Filipino students studying abroad. The correct answer is letter C, to unite Filipinos for peaceful reforms. La Liga Filipina aimed to bring about societal reforms through peaceful means. For letter A, Rizal opposed armed revolution during his lifetime. For letter B, it wasn't aimed at creating a new government. Well, letter D, the organization focused on societal reforms, not educational funding. So letter C is the correct answer. Number 13. Where was Rizal exiled after being accused of promoting the revolution? Letter A, Dapitan. Letter B, Hong Kong. Letter C, Madrid. Or letter D, Singapore. The correct answer is letter A, Dapitan. Jose Rizal was exiled to Dapitan, Mindanao from 1892 to 1896. Letters B, C, and D, while Rizal traveled to these places, they were not locations of his exile. So letter A is the best answer. Number 14. What was Rizal's role in propaganda movement? Letter A, leader of the armed uprising. Letter B, editor of La Solidaridad. Letter C, writer and reform advocate. Or letter D, founder of the Katipunan. Mhm. The correct answer is letter C, writer and reform advocate. Jose Rizal contributed essays, poems, and novels advocating reforms during the propaganda movement. Letter A, he did not lead any armed uprising. Letter B, the editor of La Solidaridad was Cristiano Lopez Haina. While letter D, the Katipunan was founded by Andres Bonifacio, not Rizal. Okay, last number, number 15. What was the title of Jose Rizal's unfinished third novel? Letter A, La Visión del Fray Rodriguez. Letter B, El Filibusterismo. Letter C, Dapitan. Or letter D, Macamisa. The correct answer is letter D. Makamisa is Rizal's incomplete third novel written in Filipino, exploring societal issues. El Filibusterismo was Rizal's second novel. Dapitan is not one of his novels but refers to his place of exile. La Visión del Fray Rodriguez is a satirical pamphlet, not a novel. So letter D is the best answer for number 15. Okay, that's the end of part one. How did you do? Let me know your scores in the comments below and don't forget to share your thoughts and insights. Thank you for watching and see you in part two. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more educational content. Until next time, happy learning. Bye for now.